Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 20th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. We had some crazy fluctuations in the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency market, but overall, Bitcoin is up 2% in the last 24 hours at $9,739. Ethereum up 1.1% at $213.38. Dash up a whopping 4% at $77.81. And Litecoin up 2.78% at $45.80. Let's take a closer look at Bitcoin to show you exactly what I was talking about. As you can see here, when I made the video yesterday, we were sitting about that $9,500 to $9,600 mark. And then we had huge volume in buy orders, taking it up to 9,812. Now, I personally saw this marker right here, and I sold a lot of Bitcoin figuring it would go back down. Within a few minutes, it dropped back down, but then spiked back up to 9,800, which had me a little bit concerned. But like I presumed, it tanked back down to about that $9,600 range. I bought back in when it was at about $9,650. Over the remainder of the 24 hours, it started to come back up and is now sitting at that $9,700 threshold. I'd love to see a little bit more consistency in the cryptocurrency market because fluctuations like this really make me anxious. Day trading is extremely risky. Do not do it unless you are very well informed in the cryptocurrency space. And you can do that by subscribing to this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the Facebook page, join us again later today when we go over the top cryptocurrency news, and thank you for watching, and we will see you later today.